You might think being upper class means private jets, luxury cars, and $1 million home. But what if I told you you're already more upper class than you think, and you're just not seeing it? Imagine waking up each day feeling financially secure, not just surviving, but thriving. Let's be honest, most people equate being upper class with how much money they make. But that's outdated thinking. Wealth isn't just about what's in your bank. It's about mindset, habits, unseen privileges, and the kind of choices you're making daily that 90% of people never do. Today, we'll uncover the unexpected ways you're already upper class, even if you don't feel like it yet. Stay with me till the end because the last one will flip everything you believed about being rich. If you are interested in this topic, hit like and subscribe. It takes less than a second and it helps the channel a lot. We have plenty of inspiring content coming your way packed with tips to help you live a more successful and fulfilling life. Now let's get started. Number 1. You're investing in future you, not flexing for now. Let's start with case study. Jasmine had a choice. Buy a new iPhone or invest that $1,200 into an S&P 500 index fund. Her friends called her boring. Fast forward 10 years, that investment could be worth $2,500 plus. Their phones? Worthless. Spending money to impress others today while ignoring your future self. It's financial self-sabotage disguised as treating yourself. A Harvard study showed 78% of people regret purchases made to maintain social status. Flex culture keeps people broke. Meanwhile, silent investors build real wealth. That's upper-class behavior. Would you still buy it if no one ever saw you with it? Automate 20% of your income into ETFs or mutual funds. Start a small SIP. Even $100 per month compounds fast over time. The flashy life is rented, but the disciplined life, that's ownership. If you're playing the long game, then you're already upper class. Now let's go even deeper. What if something as simple as your ability to say no was a millionaire trait? Number 2, you know how to say no without guilt. Imagine a life where every yes is intentional and every no is empowering. Knowing how to say no without guilt isn't just about asserting boundaries. It's about taking charge of your time, energy, and ultimately, your destiny. Too often, we say yes to things that drain us, social obligations, extra work tasks, or even unnecessary purchases, out of fear of disappointing others or missing out. But here's the truth. Every time you say yes to something that doesn't align with your goals or values, you're saying no to something else that could bring you closer to your dreams. Saying no without guilt is a superpower in a world where distractions and obligations pull us in all directions. To resolve this, start by prioritizing. Understand your goals and values deeply so that when you say no, it's in service of something greater. Warren Buffett once said, "The difference between successful people and very successful people is that very successful people say no to almost everything." Number 3, you treat your attention like currency. According to a Microsoft study, human attention span has dropped to 8 seconds, less than a goldfish. But those who protect it become outliers, letting anyone or anything hijack your mind. News, drama, clickbait. If someone can steal your attention, they can steal your future. Control your focus, and you control your destiny. Ask yourself, who's deciding what you think about most? You or the algorithm? Use focus mode or app blockers. Start your day with intentional inputs, books, affirmations, gratitude journaling. Your attention is your real net worth. Guard it. That's upper-class behavior. Now let's talk about something that separates upper class from middle class silently, and it's not taught in schools. You see money as a tool, not a trophy. One of my colleagues, Alina, inherited $25,000 when her grandmother passed. She put it into dividend-paying ETFs. 5 years later, that money now earns her $180 per month passively, enough to cover groceries. The poor chase shiny things. The upper class chase freedom. They don't spend money to look rich. They use it to become free. The mistake most people make is they treat money emotionally, not strategically. They celebrate paychecks by spending them. Use money to buy back your time. Invest in income-generating assets. Let money work for you. Start with low-cost index funds. Even $50 per month grows to over $10,000 in 10 years with 10% annual return. Wealth starts with $1 and the right mindset. Number 5, you have options, even if you don't use them. You may not live in a mansion or drive a Ferrari, but if you can choose what to eat, where to work, or who to be around, congratulations, you're already living like the upper class in ways most people overlook. Real wealth isn't just dollars in the bank, it's freedom of choice. According to Morgan Housel in The Psychology of Money, the highest form of wealth is the ability to wake up and say, I can do whatever I want today. Most people ignore their options because they're chasing visible status instead of recognizing the silent power they already hold. They trap themselves in jobs they hate, relationships they've outgrown, or cities they no longer love, just because they think they have to. But the truth is, your choices are your quiet luxury. Think about someone with the option to work remotely. They might still complain about their job, not realizing that millions globally don't even get to choose where they work. A man with limited money but unlimited choices is often richer than one with millions but no freedom. So ask yourself, how many quiet luxuries are you taking for granted right now? Next up, a sign of wealth that has nothing to do with what you own, but everything to do with how you speak. Number 6. You invest in your communication skills. Studies show people with strong communication skills earn 20% more over a lifetime. In How to Win Friends and Influence People, Dale Carnegie said, a person's success in life is 15% due to their professional knowledge and 85% to their ability to express ideas and arouse enthusiasm in others. Most people think being upper class means having money, but here's the twist. The wealthy aren't just rich in assets, they're rich in articulation. Yet most people ignore this. They stay stuck, not because they lack talent, but because they can't convey their value. Bad communication costs promotions, relationships, and even peace of mind. Your ability to communicate is your hidden luxury. It's invisible, but everyone feels it. Refine it, and you elevate your income, influence, and identity. Two people with the same skill. One knows how to talk about it, the other doesn't. Guess who gets paid more? So ask yourself, are you investing in the skill that pays forever? Number 7. You surround yourself with growth-minded people. Forget designer clothes. Your real status symbol is who you hang out with. If you consciously surround yourself with growth-minded, ambitious, and self-aware people, you've already stepped into the world of the upper class, mentally. Who you spend time with is a preview of who you're becoming. Surrounding yourself with driven minds isn't a flex, it's a strategy. Hanging with average people and expecting an extraordinary life is like eating junk food and hoping for a six-pack. So ask yourself, is your circle expanding your future or limiting it? Number 8. Investing for future self. If you're saving, investing, or learning skills today that your future self will thank you for tomorrow, you're already living like the wealthy. The rich don't just think in months or years, they think in decades. Investing in your future, whether it's money, skills, or mindset, is the ultimate upper-class move. So ask yourself, are you spending to escape the present or investing to design your future? If you related to even 5 of these 8 points, you're not just on the path, you're already living it. If this video added value to your day, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more power-packed insights. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us. See you in the next video. Until then, keep growing wealth.